Look at this number problem and compare. Both the numbers are different. 333 is changed as 3.33, 99 is changed to 9.9. So here there are 2 decimal places and here is 1 decimal place. So totally there should be 3 decimal places to the left. Answer will become 32.967 since there are 3 decimal places to the left. The question here is 3.33 times 990. Alright, both the numbers are different. 333 is changed to 3.33 and 99 is changed to 990, which means here the first number has 2 decimal places. So what I am going to do, I am going to keep 2 decimal places in the answer. Alright, so 329.67. But you can also see there is an added 10 in one of the numbers. So what I am going to do, I am going to add that 10, which means I am going to multiply by 10. Alright. So when you multiply by 10 again, the decimal will be shifted one place to the right. And then the answer will become 3296.7.